Okay, when we factor difference of squares, you could do it product sum, right? What times what is, so 16 times 9, that's negative 144. And my middle term is 0. So what times what is negative 44? That has to give me 0, 12, and negative 12, and do your product sum chart. But for difference of squares, if these are perfect squares and there's a minus sign here, you can do a shortcut, which is take the square root of 16x squared and get 4x, and take the square root of 9y squared, which is 3y, and do the plus minus. And when we distribute to check our work, the middle term is going to cancel out, and that's why this is not 3 terms and it's only 2. Now, sometimes you got to factor out a GCF. Actually, really what you should do every time is try to see if you can factor out a GCF first. Okay, I think incorrectly, some people would take the square root of these right away, which you can do, but to get it completely factored out, you got to factor out a GCF first. So here, if you factor out a 9, you're left with 4x squared minus 1. And now I can do difference of squares because 4 is a perfect square and so is 1, and I have my minus. Difference for the minus squares those numbers. So 9, so that's square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 1 is just 1. And remember, the signs have to be different, so those middle terms cancel out. So that's difference of squares.